Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's session we will learn operators in Java. So what is operator? If we say operators are the symbols, or we can say that is a special symbol that perform specific operation on one, two or three operands and then return the result. Suppose if we do some mathematical operation, any mathematical operation, suppose 7 plus 4 11. So here if we see, then we are using two operators we are using and three operands we are using. Which one is three operand? Sum, this is one variable, that is one operand. 7, that is another operand, and 4, that is another operand, and two operators, which one equals to is one operator and plus is another operator. So in this way we can use operator. So this is the definition of operator. Operators are nothing but a symbol that can be used to operate on operands, and after that the operator will return a result. Suppose here if you see this example, 7 plus 4, 7 and 4 are the operands and plus is the operator, and this operator is returning a result that containing the sum of two numbers, and that sum of two numbers we are collecting into some variable using this one operator. This is another operator. This operator task is to make the sum of two numbers. This operator's job is to add these two number or to get the sum of these two number. After that one, it is the responsibility of assignment operator to assign the value into some variable inside some operator, if we say. So this is the definition of operator. If you can consider this example also. Here we are using one assignment operator, that assigning a value inside variable 1 7 and variable 2 4, and here we are getting the here you can use val1 and val2. Val1 you can replace with 7, you can replace with val1, and 4 you can replace with val2. Okay, so this is the definition of operator. Operators, there are three types of operator in Java. One is unary. Unary means that operator need only one operand, or we can say that unary operator works on single operand, or we can say unary operator is used for one operand to operate on same operand. Binary operator needs two operands to operate. Single operand called unary operator, two operand, that is used for that one binary operator is used to operate, and if it is a three operand, to operate on them we need ternary operator. Okay, means single, unary, two binary, and three ternary. 2 is binary because binary can be represented into two numbers only, either 0 or 1, 2 only. So that's why this is called binary operator. Okay, so this is the types of operators in Java. But suppose this is the means we can say, yeah, we can differentiate operator in these three categories, but on the basis of operation, we can categorize them in so many operators type. One is arithmetic. Arithmetic is what that does some arithmetical operation. Arithmetical operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or modulus. Modulus is nothing but the remainder of your division. So this is the arithmetic operator, and arithmetic operator further we can distribute into two operator. One is unary operator, another is a binary operator. Same thing, unary means plus and minus, binary plus and minus also, but along with that multiplication, division and modulus is there. Okay, so we will see this example and we will learn, because what exactly this if we say unary operator is doing, arithmetical unary operator, what exactly does unary arithmetical operator? If it is a plus, then it will return the same value. Suppose you have a number 20, that is a positive number, and if you add if you do the arithmetical sum operation, means if you make that as a positive only, if you add before to the positive symbol, then that also will be remain same only, because sign will be remain same only, sign will not change. Sign can be either negative or positive. If you add before to the number positive symbol, then there will be no change into the sign. If it is a minus, then it will remain minus. If it is a plus, then it will remain plus. So in that case it will no change. Return same value with same sign, but minus will change the value. Suppose if your number is a positive, then if you add minus before to that number, then that number will considered as a opposite of sign, like minus 20 you can say. Or if it is already minus, then also it will return the opposite sign, means it is a minus, then minus plus, then it will return the positive. So minus will return the opposite sign and plus will return the same sign. Suppose if I open this code here, suppose arithmetic operator. So inside this arithmetic operator, if you see here, we have taken two numbers, 13x is 13 and y is 5, 13 and 5. So if I add plus here before to the x, then what will happen? Nothing will happen, because x is a positive number, it will remain positive only. But if I add minus, in that case x value will be considered as negative, because plus minus plus only. So this will be returning 13 and this will return minus 30. And okay, this one I will run. First we will see this also. Suppose here this is a binary arithmetic operator. Unary means only one operand is required. Here see, here only one operand, x is only one operand, and operator we are using, and operand is one only. Here also minus, operand is one only. And if we say binary arithmetic operation, then this 5 is the binary arithmetic operation, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Suppose that is very common, we already know. What will be the sum of 13 plus 5? 18. And subtraction, multiplication, division, all we can find this one and it will return. Suppose if we run similar, see the first one, this is the first statement, line number 9, 13, and line number 10, this is the line number 9, this is the line number 10 output, 13 minus 13, because we are adding minus operator, and x plus y is 18, x minus y is 80, x into y is 65, x divided by 2, and this is the remainder, because when we divide 13 by 5, how much remainder we will get? 3 remainder we will get, because 5 दूनी 10 निकल जाएगा, 3 remainder बचेगा. Okay, and 2 will be the answer, that will be answer. Okay, So this is called arithmetical operator. Arithmetical operator. String concatenation operator is also there. That is very that is to concatenate two strings. That is also a plus operator only is being used to operate on string concatenation process or string concatenation operation. Suppose where is string concatenation? Yeah, this is a string concatenation. So here if you see and delete this one first. So here I will make another string also. String s2 is equals to world, WORLD, world. Okay, hello world, and this one I will say as the result. Okay, result. So what if I will say s1 plus s2, then what will be the value of result? What will be the value of result here? Hello world. See, hello, sorry, s1 plus s2. I was concatenating the same string with same, so it was giving hello. So hello world. Yeah, you can give space, that is up to your choice. You can give in this way because it is a string concatenation only. String concatenation, you can use plus operator. This is called operator overloading because same operator is working two operations. One, this operator is operating on numbers to do some arithmetical operator, and the same operator is being used to concatenate the string also. So you can concatenate in this way. One more thing, suppose after s1, what if I do x plus y? What do you think, what will be the output of that one? I am concatenating with hello x and y. So what will be the output? So output will be hello 10 20. Yes, hello 10 20. But what if I will give in this way s1? In that case output will not be like that 10 20 hello, it will be 30 hello. See, it will be 30 hello. Why? Because your compiler is compiling from left hand side to right hand side. First your compiler found x. What is the type of x? X type is int. Okay, then your compiler is moving forward. What is the next? Plus is one operator. Okay, first one is an integer, then operator, then another one operand. First your compiler is searching one operand, that is x. X is what? X is a type of int. Okay, one x operand your compiler found, that is type of int. Then your compiler found one operator, that is a plus. Okay, then your compiler found another operand, that is y, and that is a type of int only. Then here itself only at this point of time your compiler understand have to do arithmetical operation. So first your compiler will do arithmetical operation. After that one your compiler is finding plus. Okay, then again some operand may be there, but at this time operand is a string only. In that case after 30 your compiler will append s1. Means after 30 compiler will concatenate s1 string, because for string also you can use plus operator to concatenate. So this is the use of string concatenation operand. Okay, so now it will be output is a 30 hello. So is it a possible, suppose after plus, if I am giving here plus x plus y, but when I am executing this one, because compiler is first searching from left hand side to right hand side, so first compiler is searching for, first compiler found one operand that is a type of string only, so your compiler understood. After that one plus is coming, it means whatever is there you have to do the string concatenation in the same way, you don't need to do any arithmetical operation. But I want to do arithmetical operation, because when I will run this one, then only 10 and 20 I am getting, but I don't want to do this one. I want this operation should be done as an arithmetical operation. So in that ways you can give in this braces. So now your compiler will do that arithmetical operation. Now it is hello 30, and after that one also you can give, no issue, s2, that is no issue. Now it will come hello 30 world, hello 30 world, yeah, hello 30 world. But if you don't give this braces, then it will give hello 1020 world, hello 1020 world. Okay, so this is string concatenation operator. But what is the recommended here? You should not use to concatenate the string this operator. Even you should not do the concatenation of a string in Java. That is, at most whatever at the most it is a possible, you should not do that one. You should not do that one. As much as possible you should avoid it. Why? Because of class string immutability. We will see what is class immutable like that. That also we will see, because in the class session also I think we have missed that point. We will see that point even when this class will be started, because this class we cannot modify, means we cannot modify the object of that class. If it is created, we can create new only always. So in that case you should avoid you to concatenate the two string using plus operator. You should avoid as much as possible. That is recommended way. Yeah, if requirement is there, you have to append, then so many other options are available in Java, and that is giving a better performance. So we should use that only, but we should not use this one. And if you want, you can, but it will not give, because we will see what exactly the performance issue will be with this one. If we do that one, we will see that also. Okay, but recommended is that one, you should not use. Okay, and the third one is assignment operator. It's a very okay, assignment operator. Yeah, this one only. Suppose, what is the use of assignments? Suppose x, whatever the value your x, here example I am taking this one, here whatever the value your x variable is taking, that will be assigned to y. What is the value of x? X value is 20, means inside y variable, or you can say inside y operand, x operand value is being assigned. Suppose it's a assignment operator. Okay. Yeah, so see, this one is very easy, assignment operator. So here if I comment this one, and okay, this is a result, this is a result. I am printing as a result first. So now here if you see, what value will be there for result? 18 only. Yes, 18 only. But here what is the assignment operator? This equals to is the assignment operator, means after evaluating the mathematical operation, actually this regular expression will be evaluated in the form of board mass always. We know what exactly meaning of board mass. First should be braces should be evaluated, then division should be evaluated, then multiplication, then plus or minus, whatever is coming first, like that it will evaluate using that scenario only. In that way only your compiler will evaluate this one. So that is fine. But here if you see, here one assignment is happening. After evaluating this expression, your compiler has to, sorry, your JVM has to assign the result into result operand or inside result variable. So this equals to is the assignment operator here, and assignment operator you can use in both the same statement, means assignment plus operation both, that is called compound compound assignment statement. This is assignment, simple assignment statement, but this is a compound assignment. How it is compound assignment? Because here inside this one we are doing both operations. Which both operation? Here inside x we are assigning the value of x into y. Suppose this statement is similar to x is equal to x into y. This one, x is equals to x into y. X is equal to x into y, or if you using here plus symbol, then that is also fine. Any of operator you can use. In that case this will be this only. X is equal to, because here inside this one we are doing we are getting the result as 18. Right, I will show you again. 18, and just comment this one. So now result is 18. 18 only, and I'm just commenting this one, and I'm uncommenting this statement, and I'm printing here x, because the same operand I'm using to collect the result. So this will also be 18 only, same only. But here what extra advantage we are getting, we no need to declare another variable. In the same variable we can do assignment. Obviously that we can do in this way also. See, in this way also we can do. In this way also we can do, no issue. Okay, this is, and if I command this one, that also will be fine only. That's also fine. That is also returning 18 only. But if you want to do in the same means in using one operand only, you can do that also. Some performance wise, some benefits you will get. That's it. Not much, but you will get like that only. So you can use compound assignment operator. This is a compound. First one, any arithmetic operation, that can be a modular. It can be a modular also, no issue. Any means assign any arithmetic operator, whatever the arithmetic operator we have learned. No, this one, these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 only is valid. These 5 only, not any other than these 5. No other operator you can use here. You can use any 5, like plus, minus you can use, no issue. Anything. -8, minus you can use. Multiplication you can use. Division you can use. And modular you can use. 3 will be the remainder. Okay, so this is assignment operator. Simple assignment operator. This is simple assignment operator. This is compound assignment operator. Okay, so next is increment and decrement operator. Yes, increment and decrement operators is what? Suppose you want to increment or decrement some values. Suppose, so here x is 4 and y is 2. Here line number 7, if you see, value of x is 4 and value of y is 2, and I'm just printing here. So if I run this one, you will get same, x is 4, y is 2. But what if I will give x plus plus y plus plus, then what you will get? Obviously you will get 1 increment. Inside 5 x will be incremented by 1 and y also will be incremented by 1. X will become 5 and y will become 3. And if you use decrement, that also you can do both. Now I'm doing both side decrement. In that case, x will be 3, y will be 1. X will be 3, y will be 1. Okay, so so this is fine. And here suppose here what I'm checking, plus x and plus y, how much you will, now also you will get same one increment only, no, one increment. Yeah, 5 and 3. 5 is 4 is x is incremented by 1 and it becomes 5, y is incremented by 1 and it becomes 3. And if I use in this way, then also it is incrementing 1. Then what is the difference? What is difference? Why they have given in like that? See, same only. Yeah, it has some different some special use. Suppose I'm just commenting this one. I'm just system.out.println x plus. So now what do you think, what will be printed here? What will be the value of x and what will be the value of y? In the same thing I am just printing here y also. Now what do you think, what exactly will be the output here? Output will be 4 2 5 3. 4 2 4, it will print 4, this will print 2, and this will print x is equals to 5 and y is equal to 5. See, yes, 4 2 5 3. And if I will do the reverse, yeah, this is also increment only, no, this is also increment, and this time if you see some magical thing, see, 5 3 5 3, here also 5 3, here also 5 3, but in the last run here was the actual value 4 and 2 and here was 5 and 3, but now here also 5 and 3, here also 5 3. What happening? Because see what your JVM is doing here. Suppose x plus is there, so your compiler is compiling this statement from left to right, so your compiler came here x, okay, x is there, next token is plus, okay, next is plus. So your JVM understood, yeah, we have to do increment, okay, but when when your JVM is coming to the next token, that value is already placed. After coming to the next operator, your JVM is making the increment process, but at this time actual value whatever it was there, it is replacing with that value only. So here value will be 4 only, but after crossing this token position, value will be incremented. At this point of time, value will not be incremented. So this is the case. You will get here 4 only, but if you get first plus, in that case first your compiler is compiling from left to right, it is getting plus, then again it is getting plus token, then your compiler is getting x. It means compiler understand here itself only, you have to increment. So before to come to the next token, your JVM will increment the value here only itself, and this statement will be x plus will be replaced with 5. So this is the use of increment and decrement operator. See, and suppose we will do one tricky things here. Suppose int sum is equals to x plus y So what do you think, what will be the output of this one? Means what will be the value of sum? If I print that value of sum here, sum is equals to sum, what it will be? Suppose if we analyze this one, okay, I will analyze here. First, compiler is executing this statement x. Okay, what is the value of x? X value is 4. Okay, because your compiler is coming to this line first, it means is this token first. X, what is x? X is 4. So this statement will be pointed to the means replaced with the actual value. Next, after that one, what your compiler is finding? Plus token. So after getting plus, your compiler will make this value as a 5, but it will make this value as a 5 here only in this value position. But before to that one, your compiler has already written the value, what exactly value should be here. Here it should be value is 5, but here it is compiler have already written as a 4. Okay, in that case it will be 4. And the next point, plus means increment by 1 only. Okay, increment by 1, which one? Y, how much it is? 2 increment by 1 is 3 only. So what exactly this value is? 7. So what should be the value of sum? 7 only. And if I write here one more thing, plus x, now what should be the value of sum? 7 plus 4. After that one plus is coming. After that one value of x is how much? 5. Why? Because after crossing to this token, JVM has incremented the value. So now you get the 5 value. So how much it is now? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12, I think. Okay, so now if I run this one, 12 only. And what if I will get here plus y, the same, you are understood, the 5 will be the same only, y will be 3. Now 12, 13, 15 only. Yeah, 15 only. So this is the use of increment and decrement operator. See, increment the value by 1 of operand, decrement the value by 1 of a operand. That's it. Okay, here it should be minus. Okay, so next one is the relational operator. What is relational operator? Like less than, greater than, equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. You have to check. How can you check whether two persons height is equal or not? You will take height value and you will compare that one. Relational operator is nothing but a comparison of values. Either the value can be same, either the one value can be higher and another value can be lower, or another value can be higher, one value can be lower. Like two values are there, A and B. Either A and B can be equal, either A can be lower and B can be higher, or either B can be lower, A can be higher, like that. Or we can say that A can be greater than B, or B can be greater than A or B can be equal. That is according to the values only. So to compare the value, we have to use relational operator. Like this is a greater than, this is a less than, this is greater than equal to, this is less than equal to, this is equal to check whether that equal to or not. See, double equal to is used to check the equality, and one equal is used for assignment operator. See, here also equal is there, no? Here, see. But this equal we are using here as assignment operator, single assignment operator, or that is also assignment operator, compound assignment. But here we are using equal, so it will do the comparison, it will not do the assignment operation. Okay, and not equal. So here if we see the code, logical or not logical, conditional operator, sorry, relational operator. So relational operator, if you see, we have taken two values, x and y. X is 8 and y is 6. Here I am making one comparison, x greater than y, then I am writing here x is greater than y. If x greater than or equal to y, then yes, x is greater than or equal to y. X is greater than or equal to y. Here x is less than y. X is less than or equal to y. X is equal to y and x is not equal to y. So now what will be output? Can you suggest me? Suppose first condition, if you see x greater than y, obviously x is greater than y because x is 8 and y is 6. So it will print x is greater than y. Okay, x greater than or equal to y. Yeah, x is greater than, no, or equal to also. If it is greater than, then obviously it is equal to also. So yeah, x is greater than or equal to y, but x is not less than, or x is not less than or equal to y. X is not less than or equal to y. X is equal to y. No, x is not equal to y. So this will print this one. First statement, x is greater than y, x is greater than or equal to y, and x is not equal to y. Yeah, x is greater than y, x is greater than or equal to y, and x is not equal to y. What if I make this is equal? Then in that case, x greater than y? No, x is not greater than y. X is equal y exactly. So x is greater than or equal to y. Yes, x is greater than or equal to y, and x is equal y. Yeah, x is greater than or equal to y, x is less than or equal to y, the same thing only, because both conditions we are checking here. If it is, how I can say, because both are equal, no, then I can say like that, and x is greater than or equal to y, or we can say like that x is less than or equal to y, whatever choice. How we can define? We have not defined, we have to use the exact value. So in that case, all this comparison we are checking here, so that's why it is coming x is either less than or equal, greater than or equal to y, or less than or equal to y, and definitely it is equal only. So this is called a relational operator, like greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. So this is relational operator. Next one is the logical operator. What is logical operator? What is logical? Logical is that you have to combine, suppose, and here a and b you have to combine. Either a and b, here one condition is there, a and b, the value should be as a boolean, here. Here is a condition for this logical operator. For logical operator, operand must be boolean type. Operand must be of a boolean type. If it is not boolean, then it will give compilation error. Suppose here I have taken one boolean value a, that is a true, and one boolean value b as a false, and if I make a and b, then what will be the value? Here one logic table is there, this is for and. If both are, see, 0 means false, 1 means true. So 0 0 means false will be false only. False will be false only in AND operator. So here boolean is a is a true and b is a false. So this is not this condition, So this is false. A is a false and b is a true A is false and B is true, this is also not that condition, it will be false always. Here A is a true and B is a false, then also it will be false. So what will be the value here, what will be the result here if A is a true and B is a false? If A is a true and B is a false, then result will be false, result will be false. Means for AND both should be true, for AND both should be true, then only result will be true. If any one of them is a false, then result will be false. This is the simple rule of AND. And OR simple rule is like that only. If any one of them is a true, then result will be true, that's it. In AND, if any one of them is false, then result will be false, or we can say like that, both should be true. If both are true, then only result will be true, otherwise result will be false. In OR both should be false only, then only result will be false. If any one of them is a true, then result will be always true. If both are true, then also it will be true, because any one of them should be true. This is OR only. Either we can say like that, no, bring tea or milk. Any one of them is fine, but please bring either tea or either milk. Any one of them is fine. If one is fine, then fine, that's it. In the same way, if one is true, then always true. If both are not there, then it's a false. If both are false, then it's a false. If any one of them is a true, then true. Note is nothing, not what note is making the negative, so the reverse value. If it is a true, then it will make false, and if it is a false, then it will make a true. That's it. So here for logical operator, if I open here we are taking checking which one is the greatest number from three variables. Suppose 5, x, y and z. If x greater than y, we have already seen this is a relational operator. This is a relational operator, and the output of relational operator is what? Boolean only. So this is a Boolean, and this is also Boolean. Here, you see, this is very important. I think we have not discussed this one. Where is the relational? Yeah, see, this relational operator input is a number only. Both operand is a number only, but the result will always be Boolean type. Suppose either it is a greater than or either it is not greater than, like that only. No, how it will know? Yes or no, only you will tell. I will say is your age is 25? You can say either yes or no. No means it's not a 25. Yeah, that is, you have not asked whether that is less than or whether that is greater than, but it's not 25, so you will say no, like that only. Yes or no, either x is greater than y, then if it is greater than y, then it will say yes. Yes means true. Either it will say no, x is not greater than y, then how it will say no? False only. So the result of relational operator will be Boolean. Okay, so here this is returning one Boolean and this is also returning a Boolean, and the Boolean I am making AND operator. Means AND means what? Both should be true. If both are true, then only you can say this x is true. If both are true, then only you can say y is greater. If both are true, then only you can say z is true. Means x should be greater than y and x should be greater than z, then only you can say x is greater. If and y should be greater than x and y should be greater than z, then only you can say y is greater. And z should be greater than x and z should be greater than y, then only you can say z is greatest. Okay, so this is according to this number it will come. And here we have declared two variables a and b. One is true, one is false. A is true and b is false. So if I print A, then what will be value of A? True. And what will be value? It will print here A, it will print here false. Why? Because I am making negative here. So not negative, not here. Not means the reverse of true. Reverse of true is what? False only. And this one we have already seen. What is the meaning of this OR operator? If both are true, then it is true. Oh sorry, no. OR means if any of them is true, it's a true. If any one of them is true, then true. Or both are false, then only it will be false. So and means any one of them, and means both should be true. Both should be true. Both should be true. So A and B are true is not, this will not print. This will print either A or B is true. Okay, and here it will print A as a true, and here it will print A as a false, and from here each one will print X, greatest X. Yes, greatest X. X is what? 5. A is true and B is here. A is true and B is false. Either A or B is a true. If I make this also true, then A and B are true, because it is checking this condition. Okay, so this is a logical operator. Logical operator. New operator we have already seen. To create a new object we can use new operator. There is no other use of new operator in Java. New operator always being used to create the object of a class. We have seen this much very clearly using how to use constructor. Before to the constructor only new we are using. Means new operator is used to create the object only. That's it. And it is used before to the constructor. So there no other use in Java. Instance of operator also we have seen. Inside which topic we seen this one? Instance of instance of we have seen, I think here in the topic of typecasting. In typecasting session we have seen instance of. What is the use of instance of? Reference variable, and we have to check whether the particular reference variable belongs to particular class or not. Means to check whether the reference variable is of a particular type or not. That we have seen. You can watch that session again. This is the one use only of instance of operator. That's it. And the next one is conditional operator. What is conditional operator? Suppose this is conditional operator. This is conditional operator. See here X is 3 and Y is 2. For conditional operator, one operand is required, and that operand should be a boolean only. Here operand is boolean. You know why it is boolean? Because after making the sum of X and Y, I am checking whether that is exceeding than 5 or not. Whether that exceeding than 5 or not, and you see it is exceeding. X plus Y is greater than 5. It is equal to 5 only, but it is not greater than 5. It's not greater than 5. It's reaching to the equal to point only, and I am not saying it is equal to or greater than or equal to. I am not checking like that. So here this will return either true or false. If it is a true, if this operand is a true, then this operator will return hello, this value, and otherwise it will return second one. Suppose here syntax: first operand, then conditional operator symbol, then another operand, and after one colon another operand. So if operand 1 is true, then operand 2 is returned, otherwise directly it will return operand 3. So this is conditional operator, that's it. And we call it this as a ternary operator also. How? Because it is working on three operators. But first operator should always be a boolean. It should be boolean. This can be anything. This can be a number, this can be a string, this can be another boolean also. It's depend on your choice. It can be anything. So but this should be a boolean operator. This can be anything, this can be anything. Suppose here I'm returning a string. If x is greater than 5, x plus y greater than 5, then I am returning hello, otherwise I am returning hi. Suppose here x plus y is become 5 and I am not checking whether x plus y is greater than or equal to 5. I am checking just greater than, but it's not greater than. In that case it will return what? X plus y is 5 greater than y, 5. How can you check that one? So it will return high, because this condition is not fulfilling. Why it is not fulfilling? Because I am not checking whether this is a greater than or equal to. If I am checking this greater than or equal to, it means it will check. If I am not checking this, and then it will be 5. 5 is greater than 5. No, 5 is not greater than 5. 5 is equal to 5 always. So in this case it will return high. And if I give here 6, suppose I will give here 6. Now you will clearly understand. X plus y 5. Whether 5 is greater than 6? No, 5 is not greater than 6. Not greater than 6, then high. And if I will give here 2, then 5 is greater than 2. Yeah, 5 is greater than 2. Then return hello. That's it. And it's not like that you can return hello only. I will take here some character. I want to check some character. What I can take here, I can take O, and otherwise another character I want to take as R. That's it. O or R. Now print what will be the value of O. Yes, it's not, but this should be a correct. This should be a boolean. This should be a boolean, but this can be any type. It can be number also. Suppose I will take here int. Then I will say return 100. Otherwise return 50. Like that. Now it will become 100. Now value will be. So this is the conditional operator. This is the conditional operator. First operator should be a boolean. Remaining two, whatever is your choice, you can give. But if this operator is true, this operator or this evaluation is returning true, then it will this operator will return first operand. Otherwise this operator will return second operand. So this is conditional operator. And now the last one is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. See, this is very less use of bitwise operator. No one is using, but since we are learning, we can go through that also. See, bitwise operator means, from here we can understand from this bit. What is bit? See, any number like numerical number 1 to 100, not 1 to 100, any number. To represent the number into your machine or inside computer machine language, you need binary number. Because once, suppose you have stored some number inside your computer, inside the file, number is 5, it will not be stored as a 5, this will be stored as 0101. Why? Because computer is understanding only the binary number, that machine language only, that is 0 1 only. So bitwise operator is used to operate on each bits. That's why it is called bitwise operator. To work on bits of a number, we can use bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is used to perform the operation on individual bits of a value. Not, what exactly not means? Not means reverse only, reverse only. Suppose this is a 5. What is the value of 5 binary number? 1010. And if I make the not of this one, then 0 will be converted, 1 will be converted to 0, 0 will be converted to 1, 1 will be converted to 0, and 0 will be converted to 1. So this number is 10 actually. This is 5, but this number is 10. After doing this one, your compiler will do 2's complement. 2's complement. And 2's complement, this number will be considered as a 6. So now your compiler will, you can go through that one. What is 2's complement? What is 1's complement? Why we need this one? Even that also we will see, but it will not be required. But once we will get some time or some free time, we can learn that topics also. But currently that is not being used. Just you can go through that, what is 2's complement. So after this one 10, you will see the 2's complement of 10 is 6. So your compiler will return 6 now. So which means if I run this one, see 5. For 5 I am making not. So 6 only. 6 only. And what is this 0 AND operator? What is the meaning of AND operator? AND means, see, we have seen this one here already. And what is the meaning of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0? So like that it will perform the operation. Suppose 1 0 1 0 1 and 0, 1 only. Yeah. So to use this AND operator and bitwise operator, we need two numbers. So I am taking first number as a 5, another number is a 10. So if we do this AND of this one, AND is what? AND is this one only. If both are true, then only it will be true. If any one of them is a false, then it will be false always. Means any one of them is a 0, then 0. So here 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. So this all are 0. All are 0 means it is coming as 0. Simple. In the same way, OR is there. OR means if 1 is true, then it is true. Then how much it will become? 1 1 1 1. It will become 15 only. 15 only. This is a binary number actually. You can learn binary numbers also. Number system we will see. We will learn number system, no issue. That will not much big topic also, and that will be helpful also. We can learn that one. This is a binary number system only. This is a 5, this is a 10, and if we make the OR of that one, then that will become 15 only, because 1 0 1. Because OR means what? If 1 is true, then true. So means all are 1 1 1 1 1. 4 1 means 15 only. 15 only. Like that, XOR is there. XOR or gates are there. This is the left shift. 1 means you want to shift this bits. See, I want to shift the 1 bit left. You can use this operator. 1 bit left, how much it will become? Suppose here shift X 1 bit. How much it will become? If I shift 1 bit, here it will become 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0. Let's see what number will make it actually. 10 only. 10 only, because it will become 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. I think that much only. Yeah, 10 only. 1 0 1 0 10 only. See, this number only it will make. No, here it will come 1, here it will come 0, here it will come 1, here it will come 0. So this number only it will make. No, and this is 10 only. So this is 10, it is coming. And if we make a right shift here, then how much it will become? Suppose this I am making a right shift, so this bit will be skipped, this will be out, and here 0 will come. here 1 will come, then last one 0 will come, then how much it is in this number? 2 only. This is 2 only. Yeah, 2 only. This is by number system only. So like that, this is the use of a bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. Okay, so this topic is this much only inside this operators. Yeah, these many operators are there in Java only. In the next session we will see control statements. Control statement. What is control statement? If we say here, suppose here here if I open relational operator, you will see if we are using here. So this is a control statement. I am controlling the behavior of program on basis of the values. See, before in the so many programs, suppose I will write here one line of statement, here one line of statement, here like that. So all these statement will be executed one by one, but I don't want to do like that. I want to, suppose once your TV system is there, after pressing the button you have to press power on button, then only your TV will be started. It will not be started directly, because the behavior of the system is you are controlling through remote only. So in this one we have to control the behavior of program using the control statement. Control statements. So in the next session we will see these control statements. So I hope you like this session. Please subscribe my channel and we will see you in the next session. Till that, bye bye and thanks for watching.